Do you often find yourself struggling to maintain energy throughout the day? If so, you're not alone. Many of us face the challenge of low energy levels, especially as we juggle busy schedules and demanding responsibilities. One effective way to combat this issue is by incorporating detoxifying smoothies into your daily routine. These nutrient-packed beverages not only help cleanse your body, but also provide sustained energy to keep you going all day long. Low energy can have a significant impact on our daily lives, affecting productivity, mood, and overall well-being. Whether it's the mid-afternoon slump or struggling to get out of bed in the morning, finding ways to boost energy levels is crucial for optimal performance. To help you overcome this challenge, here are 7 detoxifying smoothie recipes designed to revitalize your body and mind. Green Goddess Smoothie, packed with leafy greens like spinach and kale, along with refreshing cucumber and hydrating coconut water, this smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients. Berry Blast Smoothie, bursting with antioxidants from mixed berries, this smoothie also includes banana for natural sweetness and almond milk for added creaminess. Tropical Paradise Smoothie, transport yourself to a tropical getaway with this refreshing blend of pineapple, mango, and coconut water, rich in vitamins and minerals. Detox Green Tea Smoothie, combine green tea, spinach, cucumber, and ginger for a cleansing and energizing beverage that's perfect for starting your day. Citrus Sunshine Smoothie, brighten up your morning with this zesty blend of oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, packed with vitamin C to boost your immune system. Chia Seed Power Smoothie, loaded with chia seeds, bananas, and almond butter, this smoothie provides a hearty dose of protein, fiber, and healthy fats for sustained energy. Chocolate Almond Joy Smoothie, indulge your sweet tooth with this guilt-free treat made with cocoa powder, almond milk, and coconut flakes, offering a delicious boost of energy. Let's take a closer look at one of these recipes, the Detox Green Tea Smoothie. Green tea is renowned for its high levels of antioxidants and natural caffeine, which can help improve focus and alertness. Combined with detoxifying ingredients like spinach, cucumber, and ginger, this smoothie is a potent elixir for boosting energy levels and supporting overall health. Incorporating detoxifying smoothies into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your energy levels and overall well-being. By nourishing your body with nutrient-rich ingredients, you'll feel more energized and ready to tackle whatever the day brings. Ready to experience the benefits of these detoxifying smoothie recipes for yourself? Try out one of the recipes mentioned above, and don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. For more energy-boosting tips and healthy recipes, be sure to subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Cheers to a vibrant and energized life!